In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively log in to HostGator cPanel and ensure your email routing is configured correctly, allowing for smooth communication via email. Whether you're setting up a new account or troubleshooting an existing one, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. To kick things off, let's navigate towards logging into your HostGator cPanel. Begin by visiting the HostGator website and locate the login page. After entering your credentials, which include your username and password, you'll be welcomed into the cPanel dashboard. From this user-friendly interface, you can manage various aspects of your hosting environment, including your email configuration. Once logged in, direct your attention to the email section. In this section, you'll find various tools related to email management. Now select email routing. This tool holds the key to fine-tuning your email routing settings. When you're in, you'll see a list of your domains, each with specific email routing options. Here, you'll want to verify that the email routing for your domain is set properly. You can choose between local, remote, or automatic settings. Local is used when HostGator handles your email, while remote is selected when emails are managed by another provider. Automatic is generally a safe bet as it automatically configures these settings based on the MX records. Making sure these settings are correct is crucial for ensuring your emails are directed to the right place. Next, it's important to check your MX records by heading over to the DNS manager. MX records in your DNS settings play a pivotal role in the email delivery process. These records dictate how emails should be routed to your domain. If you're unfamiliar, the DNS manager is typically found alongside other domain management tools within the cPanel. Here, verify that the MX records match those provided by your email service provider. If they're incorrect or missing, email delivery issues will likely occur. Once everything appears to be in order, it's time to test your email system. Send an email from your domain to an external email address and one from an external email address back to your domain to confirm both sending and receiving functionalities are working as expected. This ensures that emails flow smoothly without any hiccups. If, despite following these steps carefully, you notice any ongoing issues with your email, contacting HostGator support should be your next step. Their support team is available to assist with troubleshooting and ensuring your email service runs without a hitch. Reaching out to them can provide you with tailored support for any specific problems